What's up, guys? This is Dr. Josh, and I'm here with Poppy. So Poppy's a really active dog. She's usually getting into stuff like this. So anyway, we just had her spayed, and she's not been real energetic, and we thought that it was maybe because she was recovering, but she just been kind of lazy. And when I was rubbing her last night, I found that she had a couple spots that she just didn't like when we touched. So it's in her hip joint, a couple other areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her an adjustment today, get her feeling a little bit better. Are you okay with that? Alrighty. So first, we're just gonna start down here in this lower back. So it was actually her right side. She just does not like. And see, when we get right over there, you see she does not like that. All right, baby. Well, let's go ahead and get a little movement down here for you. There we go. I know. Or maybe she's just being lazy. Are you just being lazy? Or you not feel good? So animals are obviously different than humans as far as the way that their musculoskeletal system is made up, but they still have joints and they still have the vertebra, and they can still get out of alignment. Is that a little sore there, sweetie? I know, it's okay. Look, I'd be right done with you, okay? Right there, right there. You ready? I know. There we go. Okay. Now, can we get you over on this side? There you go. Good girl. Now, this is a side she wasn't so crazy about. I know. Yep. Right in there. I know. Just calm down. I get you, baby. Lay down right here. It's okay. I know it don't feel good. Here we go. Here. There we go. You stay here and I'll get over here. So, obviously don't want to scare her, but I need to get her over just a little bit. And as soon as I can get there, there it is, right there. There. Girl, good girl. There. Ooh. So all of her little joints on this side, it's affecting all the way down. There we go. Good girl. Now it's time for the belly rub. All right, come over here and let's get a little movement in your mid back. There we go, good girl. There we go. I know it. Yes, you're right there. It's okay. Right there. Right there, baby. All right, that's okay. Let's do it this way. Here we go. Yeah, let's sit up a little. There you go. Right there. There we go. Yeah, I know. So she's not used to getting adjusted. I've treated her one other time, but here we go. All right. Let's see how this is. Good girl. Does that feel good? And same thing right here. All right. Now, a lot of times, it's just like anybody else. If you have stuff going on in the low back, a lot of times you'll find that they've got stuff in the neck as well. And we get right in there. Is that a little sore? Okay, right here, baby. Yeah. There you go. That's it. No more, baby. Right there. There it is. There. All right, then let's check this side. Okay, let's see what's going on right here. That's it. Yeah. Okay, and you're all done. You were a good patient today. Hopefully that helps her feel better. And we might have to treat her a couple more times, but hopefully before long she's getting back into stuff and back to her old self.